We at HealthTech are saying that why not bring something like a POCT closer to the nurses who are offering the dialysis care, where they can easily measure the analytes they want to have on the patient real time, as and when the patient comes around. And so we want to just introduce our solution to you, which is the Eaglenos EN34 creatinine analyzer.
We got HealthTech also talking about the Eagle Nose, right? And that uses microliters for measurement of creatinine and urea, which is good for the patients because they always lose a lot of blood when we are sampling. It's another way that is going to help them if they buy into this. So we have to inform our institutional heads to purchase those ones so that at least it will help our patients conserve blood since they don't have enough to lose. The most important thing is that it will fill and eliminate the, because it will fill from here and then push the air out. But if you do it like this, then you have to come and open for the air to escape. If we put anything, any color inside, it goes here. See, we haven't placed it. So if you don't, it will still be running. And the problem is when it's like this and there's a bubble, it will still go. So it is off here because we haven't selected anything. So if we select connect patient and then we start the pump, it will open for us. Then we can put our primary detector.
My name is Angelica Osei, working at the dialysis unit at the Center of Excellence. We had a 2 days intensive program from the HealthTech, which was very informative and educative. My colleagues and I really enjoyed it, and we are hoping that it will go a long way to help us in our field of work.
I'm Loretta Esiedu. I work with the Urology and Nephrology unit, Center of Excellence, the whole of Ghana, West Africa. We had a 2-day session. It was a beautiful training, insightful, and very informative. I believe I'll work in a better way to provide excellent services to my clients. Thank you.